Data communication. It is the exchange of data between two devices via some form of transmission medium. Ang data communication, ito ay ang palitan ng data sa pagitan ng dalawang aparato sa pamamagitan ng ilang anyo ng medium ng paghahatid. Example, a conversation between two people is an example of communication. Data communication refers to the sharing of a virtual message like emails, instant message, a computer connected to the internet via Wi-Fi. 5 characteristics of effective communication. First, it uses the same transmission medium. Dito po ay parehas na nagsasalita at parehas din po yung lengguwahe. Direct and indirect communication. Parehas na may time kaya may communication. Mutual understanding. Parehas yung gusto. Continuous process, tuloy-tuloy. Uses of words as well as symbols. Ito ay ginagamitan ng salita at mga simbolo. Data refers to information presented in whatever form is agreed upon by the parties creating and using the data. 3 fundamental characteristics of data communication. First, delivery. The system must deliver data to the correct destination. Ito ay isang sistemang komunikasyon na kung saan naghahatid o naglilipat ng data at dapat may hatid ito sa eksaktong patutunguhan. Pangalawa, accuracy. The system must deliver the data accurately. Ito ay sistema ng komunikasyon na dapat maghatid ng data sa pakikipag-usap sa cellphone at dapat maayos ang signal para maipahayag at maintindihan ng receiver ang gustong sabihin o ipadala. Pangatlo, timeless. The system must deliver data in a timely manner. Ito ay paghahatid ng data na dapat sa eksaktong oras na walang pagkakaantala. Components of data communication. First, message. It is the information or data to be communicated. Ito ay ang laman ng gustong ipahatid gaya ng text, picture, video at marami pang iba. Sender. It is the device that sends the data message. Ito naman ang mag-send ng data through telephone, computer, and etc. Receiver. It is the device that receives the message. Ito naman ang mag-accept ng data para mabasa o mapakinggan ang data ng matatanggap. Medium. It is the physical path by which a message travel from sender to receiver. Ito ay tumutukoy sa ipinadala at natanggap ang data tulad ng mail, email, message, personal phone calls, or face-to-face discussion. Protocol. It is a set of rules governs data communication. Ito ay ang kung anong electronic device ang ginamit na mayroong rule na kailangan sundin upang maipadala at matanggap ang data. Text. Ito ay isang nababasa ng tao na binubuo ng mga salita. ASCII. American Standard Code for Interchange. Ito ay ginagamit lamang sa mga maliliit na computer. eASCII o Extended ASCII. Para makuha ang sign on symbol na E, keep press Alt and types 69 which is the number of the letter on symbol E in ASCII. Unicode o unique, universal and uniform character encoding. Unicode ang tanging pamantayan kapag nag-encode ng tumitigal ng maaari na makuha o pagsamahin ang data gamit ang anumang kombinasyon ng mga wika. ISO o International Organization for Standardization. Numbers is numeric data ay binubuo ng numbers na magagamit sa arithmetic operation. Image. Digital image are made up of pixel. Each pixel is represented by a binary number. Consider a simple black and white image. If 1 is black or on and 0 is white or off, Then a simple black and white pictures can be created using binary. Audio. An audio signal is a signal that contains information in the frequency range. Video is the first one of the most important subproblems in video pre-processing. Generally in video processing usually represented. Data flow. Simplex. Communication is unidirectional. The data can travel one direction only. Maaring makatanggap ng signal mula sa transmitter but cannot send one back. Example nito ay ang radio broadcasting and TV broadcasting. Half duplex. Each station can both transmit and receive but not at the same time. Pwedeng mag-usap ang bawat isa, ngunit hindi sila pwedeng sabay na magsalita. Example nito is walkie-talkie. 3. Full duplex. Both station can transmit and receive simultaneously. Dito naman, pwedeng mag-usap ang bawat isa ng sabay. Example nito is plain old telephone. Network criteria. Performance. It can be measured in many ways. Transmit time. It is the amount of time required for a message to travel from one device to another. Response time. It is the elapsed time between an inquiry and a response. The performance of the network depends of many factors such as number of users, types of transmission medium, capabilities of the hardware, and efficiency of the software. Reliability. It is measured by the frequency of the failure, time it takes a link to recover from failure, and network's robustness in a catastrophe. Security. How the network protect data from unauthorized access. Categories of network. Network is categorized with the following factors: size, ownership, distance it covers, physical architecture. Categories. Local Area Network or LAN. Ang LAN ay ginagamitan ng coaxial cable or coax is an electric cable and it is used to carry radio signals. Local area network is connecting to two or more than two components, which is other using a physical connection is order to share files and data over time. Example nito is home network and office network. Metropolitan Area Network or MAN. A metropolitan area network is similar to a local area network but spans an entire city of campus. Metropolitan area network are formed by connecting multiple LANs. Thus, MANs are larger than LANs but smaller than wide area network MANs. Example nito is cable TV network. Wide area network or WAN. Wide area network cover country, or continent or even a whole world. Example nito is mobile broadband connection such as 3G, 4G, and etc. Categories. LAN, MAN, WAN. Ang LAN ang size ay building or campus. Ownership, privately owned. Distance, few kilometers. Architecture, bus, ring, star. Example, laboratory network. Ang MAN naman ay, ang size ay city. Ownership, public company. Distance, extend over entire city. Architecture, LAN to LAN. Example, cable network. 1. Size is cable. Ownership is private or public. Distance is extend over entire globe. Architecture is man to LAN. Man to man. Example is internet. Network is a group of connection communication device such as computers and printers. 1960s Stand-Alone Devices, ARPA or Advanced Research Projects Agency, DOD or Department of Defense. 1967 ACM Association of Computing Machinery Meeting, ARPANET, IMP Interface Message Processor. 1969 ARPANET Reality for Nodes, University of California, Los Angeles or UCLA. University of California Santa Barbara or UCSB. Stanford Research Institute, University of Utah, NCP Network Control Protocol. 1972 Windsurf and Babcan Interconnecting Project, Transmission Control Project or TCP. First is encapsulation, second is datagram, third is function of gateway. Shortly thereafter, TCP. TCP higher level function. First segmentation, 2 reassembly, 3 error detection, IP handle datagram. TCP or IP Internet Protocol today. Physical typology. It refers to the way in which a network is laid out physical or example device location and cable installation. Categories. Mesh. Communication is point to point. Mesh is a standard hub and spoke network architecture using one channel of the AP's Wi-Fi as backhaul between the AP. Bus. Signal are shared with the backboard cable. It is a communication system that transfers data between components inside a computer or between computer. Star. Signal are passing through the central device. Reduce the impact of a transmission line failure by independently connecting each host to the hub. Ring. Signal circulates within the network. Is a network configuration where device connections create a circular data. Topology. Mesh, bus, star, ring. Advantages. Point-to-point link, reduce privacy or security. Advantages. Expensive in cable and I/O connection to the bull of writing. Failure in N1 in connection. Bush. Advantages. Less expensive than mesh, ease of installation. Disadvantages. Difficult reconnection, difficult to add station, limited number of station. Failure, backbone cable. Star. Advantages. Point to point, rebush, less expensive than mesh. Disadvantages, using central device. Failure, hub. Ring, point to point link both side, only easy to install and configure. Disadvantages, unidirectional traffic of signal. Failure, repeater.